Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. This is your Dakshayani ma'am. Today, instead of Kalarani ma'am, I am taking your English, third standard English, that is Unit 4, Things We Use. In that, I am explaining only proverb, children. Proverb. Children, do you know what is proverb? To say in your mother tongue, in Kannada regional language, we will say that Gade Matugalu. Gade Matugalu. We all know that ವೇದ ಸುಳ್ಳಾದರೂ ಗಾದೆ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ ಇದು. Like that, today I am reading in this lesson proverb. Proverb means gade. Read the proverbs given below. Here they have given 5 proverbs, children. I will read it. Page number 57. You observe it very well. A. Children and fools must not play with edge tools. B. Man is greater than the tools he invents. C. A speaker needs no tools. D. A wise man without a book is like a workman with no tools. E. A wise man will make tools of what comes to hand. All the 5 proverbs are very meaningful, children. Proverbs always gives lot of meaning. It related to our daily life. From morning till night, whatever we'll do, no, it is related to that proverbs. What we speak, what work we will do, all this is including proverbs only. See, here they have given first, children and fools must not play with edged tools. That means sharp tools. If children play in the sharp tool, they don't have that much knowledge what is sharp, what is blunt, like that. If they touch that, definitely they'll get hurt. And like fools also, if they don't know properly what is edged tools, if they play in that, definitely they'll get hurt. Maybe they'll cut their hands, like that. They'll get hurt. Man is greater than the tools he invents. Definitely. Man only invents tools, isn't it? Tools are not great. Man is great. Because he only invented that tool. He only manufactured. And he knows how to use and what is the use and how in what material I have manufactured this. All this you know. That is why greater than tool. Who is that? Man is greater than tools because he only inventor. That is why he should know how to use that. See, a speaker needs no tools. Definitely. A man who knows very well to speak, he need not use any tools. With the talk, with the speech only, he will correct people. He need not to use any tools. That is correct. He will correct people and people will definitely agree who knows very well to speak. Some people they don't know and they will always use tools. For example, some teachers they'll bring sticks like that, isn't it? Need not to use sticks. If they know correct this one, what to today what I have to teach, like that, what is my topic to teach, everything they come ready. And why they use this one, they'll come directly and they'll explain everything and they'll go easily. Those who are not ready and this one, they'll come like that as usual. So definitely if they tell something, children will start talking and this one, then they definitely they have to use a stick like that. So I gave one example like that, but whatever it is, if they know very well to speak, ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್. ಮಾತು ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ಜಗಳವಿಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ರೋಗವಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾತು ಬಲ್ಲವರು ಏನು ಇದು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿ, ಎ ವೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿತ್ ನೋ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಎ ವೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, that means he has so much wisdom, knowledge, okay, who has so much of knowledge, he need not book, he need not to see book. Book is in his brain, okay, with more than book he has knowledge, that is why we will call wisdom, okay. Oh, he is a wise man, so he need not book. A workman, if he knows very well that work, he need not tools. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋನಿಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಟೂಲ್ಸೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಎ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ನೋ, he need not any tool. A wise man need not any book. That is, a wise man will make tools of what comes to hand. That is correct. If he has so much of knowledge, anything if we give to him in his hand, like one clay, if we give clay, if he don't have knowledge, he'll be watching what to do in this. A wise man, he will see once, twice, thrice. Seeing thrice, the third time only, he will think what I will do in this. A beautiful image of Ganesha he will make, and beautiful peacock he will make. Like that, a wise man, anything he can make. If anything if he give in his hand, if he has lot of knowledge, he will give. You will know that so many times we will say, well from waste. ಕಸದಿಂದ ರಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕೆಲವರು ರಸನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರು. ಸೊ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇರೋರು ಕಸನ ರಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಬಿಸಾಕಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ okay. Wise man will make tools of what comes to hand. That means, okay, what I told before, that it means, this line means that, okay. That is why wisdom is very important, knowledge is very important. We have to gain knowledge. Okay children, once again I will read the proverb. First one, children and fools must not play with edged tools. B, man is greater than the tools he invents. A speaker needs no tools. A wise man without a book is like workman with no tools. A wise man will make tools of what comes to hand. Okay, think of some more, either in English or your mother tongue, some more proverbs, and you can write it in CW book and send it in the WhatsApp group children. Okay children, thank you. We'll meet in the next class.